In the video for today, I'm going to show you how you could find out whether or not your iPhone is a genuine, refurbished, or a fake. Step up. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. Well, if you're not doing fantastic and you are watching my video for today, I absolutely understand the confusion. Just stick with me till the end. I promise you, you are definitely going to go away with a big smile on your face. And if you are around here watching my videos for the first time, consider subscribing to my channel, smash that bell notification icon, and always share my content after you watch my videos, because I make simple and easy videos for you to understand related to the technology niche, all super interesting. So by the end of my video, if you are getting confused, need any assistance, please feel free to post a comment, or you could even send me an email. So let me dive straight in. If you have purchased an iPhone online, maybe from eBay or Craigslist, or you may have purchased it from a shop, and you are finicky about the fact that the seller has mentioned that this is a new device. How to check whether it is a new genuine Apple device, whether it is a refurbished device, or whether it is a clone or a fake? Simple and easy. Do these things so that you don't face any issues, okay? Because you're going to invest a lot of money into Apple iPhones. I do not want you to face a problem like this. I faced a problem like this once before, but not after that. All right. The first simple and easy thing to do to check whether or not your phone is a genuine iPhone is to simply get to the settings. Now, once you go to the settings, click on the General tab and go to the About section of the phone. So under the About section, you would come across the name, the software version, the model name, and the model number. So under the model number, if you see that the first alphabet is mentioned as M, that means the device is new. Okay, but if you see that the first alphabet is mentioned as F, that means it is a refurbished device. All right, and if you see that the first alphabet is mentioned as N, as in Nancy, it means that is a replacement device. Okay, any other alphabets in place of these, it means it's a clone or a fake. Now, the second method to ensure that you have complete coverage, or the phone is actually new or refurbished or whatever, you need to get onto the Apple support website. So you could go to Google and do a search for Apple support. So you could type in check Apple IMEI. Okay, so once you do that, do a search and you get all the options out here. You click on checkcoverage.apple.com, the first suggestion by Google. So once you get onto this page, you need to enter in the serial number for the Apple iPhone. So I put the serial number out here and you solve the captcha. I mean, I cannot understand this. I think it's a G. So I solve the captcha and you click on continue. Now, once you do that, Apple would actually give you all the details about the phone. Now, there is a valid purchase date. It has telephone technical support. It's active, and repairs and service coverage is also active, which means this is a genuine Apple device. Now say supposing you put in the serial number, you solve the captcha, and you get an answer like this, or an error message like this from Apple support. It means the device is a clone or a fake. Simple and easy. Another way to do a check online on a website whether or not the iPhone is a genuine piece, if it has coverage or whatever, you could get onto Google and just type in iPhone IMEI check again. You scroll down a bit and you get onto this website, imeipro.info. This is a very informative website that gives you all details available for the phone. So once you are on the website out here, you need to put in the IMEI number instead of the serial number. So you get onto settings for your iPhone, get the IMEI number and paste it out here, or type that in out here. You solve the captcha to prove you are not a robot and click on check. Once you do that, you get all the details about the iPhone out here. Tech support active, warranty active, Apple Care eligibility active, blacklist status is clean, so which means this is a genuine iPhone. If you do not get anything out here, if you get an error message, it means that is not an iPhone actually. Okay, it's a clone or a fake. So by doing these things, you could actually ensure that you have a genuine Apple iPhone and not a clone or a fake. I hope I was able to provide some value to you through my video for today. If I did, please give my video a thumbs up and post a nice little comment. So this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. I will definitely come back with another video similar to this. You take care till then. Peace out.